One of the best compliments that I've ever received is someone telling me I smell nice. And we can all agree that is one of the best comments that you can receive out here. Because I feel like, yeah, someone can tell you you're beautiful, someone can tell you you look nice, but you smell nice? Welcome to Serene and Sally, where we talk about all things level up, self-care, and navigating life's interesting journeys, like this. Today I want to dive in the topic of how to smell like a luxurious lady, like a rich woman. Because everybody wants to smell rich. And darling, luxury is a mindset and it's how you set yourself up. I want to tell you that it's possible for you to smell like a rich woman without breaking the bank. And these are the tips. And number one, start with a clean base. Rich people don't just rely on perfumes. They have a clean, fresh base. And the art of smelling rich starts from your bathroom when you're taking a shower. That's where it begins. The type of shower gels that you use, the type of lotion that you use after taking a shower. Try your best and invest in a body wash that smells like luxury. But remember, it is good to keep the shower gel airy and fresh and light because we don't want it to overpower the perfume. So go for shower gels that have a luxurious but subtle scent. Something that smells like almond, vanilla, white tea. These are scents that are soft and comforting. And after you take your shower, follow up with moisturizing your body. Moisturizing your body is one of the most important tips when it comes to smelling nice, because one of the goals of smelling nice is having that scent lasting throughout the day, because you don't want to have something that is going to last you for 2 to 3 hours. No, we want something that is quite long lasting, that would go at least 6 to 8 hours. And if your skin is dry, it is not going to hold the scent properly. Just imagine you have two sponges. One is wet, another is dry. The dry one is not going to hold the scent for a long time, but the wet one is definitely going to hold the scent. So imagine your skin as the wet sponge. Moisturize your skin immediately after taking a shower. Right now, people don't really have signature scents, or people don't really rely on them that much, because there's this new way of purchasing different type of scents, trying to explore the world of scents, the perfume world. So most people don't have one bottle of perfume. But the good thing is, even if you don't have one bottle of perfume, normally you'd find most of your scents share a certain note, okay, a certain base note, because you can tell me that you like different types of notes. Okay, I know such people exist, but most of the time you'd find like there's a certain type of notes that you like. Like for me, I have very many perfumes, but a note that really stands out for me and that I really love is rose. So a rose lotion would be good for me because it's going to pair up with all of my scents, or most of my scents. So go for a body cream or a lotion that has a base note of most of your scents. You get it? Number two, layering your scent. I normally say this. Layering your scent is like building an outfit. You need the right pieces to create the perfect look. And this helps a lot, especially for someone who is trying to find a signature scent as well. Because you can come up with a signature scent that is built with at least 2 to 3 scents. Can you see that? But you have to make sure the scent profile of these different scents match. You don't want to be mixing scents that don't go together. You have to be very careful when you're layering your scents. Try your best not to do too much, okay? You have to do less with it, because these are different notes that you're playing with. So you don't want to do too much and later lose what you are looking for. This way you'll end up smelling like $1 million. Number three, let's talk about choosing rich notes. You had me right, choosing rich notes, because we said luxury is a mindset, darling. So let us choose rich notes. What do rich people smell like most of the time? And let me tell you, perfume notes will definitely make a big difference. Rich scents often have deeper and more complex notes like oud, sandalwood, musk, amber, vanilla. They smell warm and inviting, not overly sweet or too floral. I know, have you ever met someone and they smell too sweet that it's just too much and you cannot handle it? Most rich ladies do not smell like that. There's usually a mysterious note to their scents, not something too obvious like too sweet. So look for perfumes and colognes that have this type of notes. Even if it's cheaper, even if it's a dupe or something, just look for a perfume that has those type of notes, and I promise you, you'll smell expensive. If you like something more fresh, you can go for something that is more citrusy or bergamot. These are also great top notes for a fresh, rich vibe. And number four is apply your perfume smartly, okay? You don't want just to apply your scent all over the place. No, always apply on the pulse points. These are warm spots in your body that naturally amplifies your scent. These spots could be behind your ears, on your wrists, on the base of your throat. And if you want to be a little more extra and spicy, at the back of your knees. And if someone notices how the back of your knees smell, you are definitely winning in this life. Because that's such a goal when it comes to smelling nice. Dab your perfume. Do not rub. Rubbing your scent breaks it down. And we want to stay mysterious, not shattered. So try your best to dab. Just dab a little bit. Do not go and do too much with it. You're breaking down your scent. You'll be clashing your scent. And that is not what we're looking for. As we are approaching our 5th point, I want to give you a quick tip. That is usually my go-to secret when it comes to smelling nice. And that is spraying a little perfume on your hair. Preferably at the end of your hair because you don't want it to just be here and all over the place, okay? So you're going to put a little perfume on your comb and then just brush it down. And please don't put too much because the hair tends to hold scents, especially when it's oily. Like I said, when the skin is moisturized, the more long lasting the perfume is and the more it tends to keep the perfume. So same applies to the hair. I normally do it for the people at the back because when I walk and I just leave my scent and they catch a whiff of it, they're like, ooh, you know, I'm just making their day better. And to the last but the best point is spray a little bit on your clothes and extra. I understand that some people don't spray the perfume on their clothes, but hear me out. Rich people don't just rely on their skin. And leave alone that, the people who also don't like spraying their perfume on their skin. So here's the tip. You can spray on your clothes or on your jacket and just do a little bit of it. Because we want our perfume to develop over time throughout the day. So when you do too much, it becomes too overpowering and nobody can handle that, okay? So as you're spraying your perfume, always remember and keep it in mind that the goal is to smell effortlessly elegant. And there you have it, ladies. Tips to smell rich without breaking the bank. Now, to become part of the serene and stylish community, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below. What are your favorite notes in a scent that make you feel like a rich woman? And what's your favorite hack to smell luxurious? So please give us those tips so that all of us can become serene and stylish. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, keep it serene and stylish. See you in the next one. Bye.